starfish play. They twirl and wiggle the whole long day. With a spin and a hop, they clap 5 arms, dancing with dolphins full of charms. Boogie, boogie, they sing in a line. Underwater fun, just divine. Benny the bee liked honey on toast, but buzzing through gardens was what he loved most. He zipped through flowers yellow and red, with petals tickling his tiny head. Said Benny, catch me if you can, as he raced a butterfly to the watering can. The moon was yawning in the sky. Time for bed, she whispered shy. Stars tucked her in with clouds of white, singing her softly, good night, good night. She dreamed of planets dancing around, spinning and twirling without a sound. Pop, pop, pop went the popcorn today, jumping and bouncing in a playful display. Here we go, they shouted with glee, dancing together in a popcorn spree. Crunch, crunch, munch, what a tasty treat, a snack so fun, it's hard to beat. Teddy bear Ted wore socks that were red. They tickled his toes when he jumped on the bed. He giggled and laughed, oh what a delight, as his socks kept wiggling all through the night. Tickle, tickle, can't you stop? But Teddy just laughed with a flip and a hop.